Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews, guys. I'm over the moon today to bring to you an unboxing of the AirTags that's been recently released by Apple, and this is a very special one by Hermes. Okay, and this special one we have today for you guys is the luggage tag. Okay, I've got the keychain unboxing and I've also got the bag charm unboxing as well, so if you guys want to check those out, I've got the links below. I've also got the unboxing of the normal air tags and the normal one of the normal keychains that I got with the air tags. You can check them out as well if you would like and see the comparison as well. Alright, without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. So this is a nice, beautiful, very elegant box with the black and the orange. Okay, now as I was saying, this orange, I've always appreciated the tone of this orange. Okay, it's not too bright that the orange stands out, and it's not dull either. It's that right balance of orange that you get. And that's the sides, and absolutely nothing, very minimalistic. At the back it tells you what you've bought in different languages and bang and what you've actually got. Okay, so it's a luggage tag. Okay, and I've got a different color on this one. So let's get the unboxing underway by opening it up. So same with the iPhone, so you just pull this up and you go whack, and that's basically it. You get the plastic out of the way. Now looking at the box, you've got a very nice texture to it. If you can see that texture, it's very nice to touch as well, with the Hermes written on it. Slides out effortlessly. Okay, absolutely beautiful. I didn't need to do any of this jiggling bit where I need to jiggle it to come out. Nothing like that. Let's get this out of the way. So as usual, if you're familiar with the unboxing, if you've watched any of the other Hermes unboxing, so the paperwork is exactly the same. So you've got the safety handling information, you've got the compliance behind that, and then you've got the 1-year warranty. And other than that, you don't have anything else in the box, which is very different to the normal one. The normal one has really small things that you can read up upon, which is nice to see. Save the environment, save paper. Let's get this out of the way. Let's look at the real thing. So you've got a very, very soft cloth here. I would dare say this is leather as well. Just the texture and the feeling that you get with it. Bang. Okay, so on this side, as usual, on the top side you'll have the AirTag. Okay, the very special AirTag, and you get a very special paper with it as well, which is different to the normal one. It has the Hermes in Paris, and it also tells you how to actually pair it to your phone, put the tag inside the pouch, and how to set it up and do it onto your luggage. Yeah, these are the AirTags here. Yeah, I thought from a previous unboxing that they had decided to go with matte, which is incorrect. Okay, this is the normal AirTag, which you can buy for $45 in Australia, and it's gloss. Okay. However, the paper on this is very different. Okay, you get one nifty little thing with it. Okay, let's look at what it says, how to use it. So, yeah, looking at this leather, look at those stitches, they're beautifully done. How good are those? Some writings here as well. That's the pouch that it goes into. Hermes Paris, France. Let's get this thing out and unboxed. This is going to be the same for every one of them. Now you hear that sound, and that sound basically signifies that it's ready to be paired, and you just need to bring it close to a phone for it to start pairing. It's the same glossy look, and I've tried these before, and because of that little groove there, it has to come in the front. Otherwise you'll be missing out obviously on the beautiful writing in the front, basically saying it's Hermes Apple, whereas this is the normal one. So if you can see the difference, just got an Apple logo which over time will come off. I don't know how I feel about those white lines and the writing, but let's see with time. And basically what it says is just to pull this out, and whilst you hold it like so, just need to feed it through here. Pull it out, push it through there, or maybe I've done it the wrong way, I think. Yeah. So guys, how you can tell is obviously that side, so the grooved side has a bit of a groove that needs to go in. Okay, so basically you have it there. Alright, after you've put it like that with the groove, and the shiny side should be outside, but we'll do that later. Hold this down all the way, and all you have to do is feed it through the bottom one. Pull on it a little bit, push it through the hole. That's basically it. And you then tuck this in here, and that's your bag luggage tag. Okay, so you can have it going through your luggage like that, and bang, voila. Okay, so those are the two different colors. So it comes in that color, that, and then also black color as well. Black more like a midnight bluish color. Okay, all right guys, that's basically it from me. Thumbs up if you liked it. Please do share it around. I've got Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and I would love you to follow me there. And I do really appreciate you guys sticking to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.